So my work investigates the brain mechanisms underlying the interaction between pain response and the use of alcohol in human drinkers. So we use fMRI to identify the neural processes that promote the use of alcohol in people who are experiencing painful physical and emotional states. And so currently I am leading a project where we use this to predict the escalation to heavy and chronic drinking in at-risk individuals, and also to predict the recovery and relapse in patients who are receiving treatment for alcohol use disorder. In terms of postdoc, as a postdoc at Yale, I have been very lucky to receive the mentoring and support that I get from my PI, Professor Rayleigh. And he cares not only about the work that I do on a daily basis, but also what kind of career that I like to have. So from the very first day in the lab, we talk about the research that I should do, the work that I like to have under my belt, and the where I saw myself in a few years. And we plan my work very carefully to make sure that I stay on track and that I would achieve these goals. So currently, I am in the process of becoming an independent researcher, and I owe my mentor and my PI a great deal. So my work investigates the brain mechanisms underlying the interaction between pain response and the use of alcohol in human drinkers. So we use fMRI to identify the neural processes that promote drinking as a coping behavior in drinkers who experience physical and emotional pain. Currently, I am leading a longitudinal project funded by the NIH, and in this project, we use the pain-related brain responses to predict the escalation to heavy and chronic drinking in at-risk individuals, and we also predict the relapse and recovery in patients who are receiving treatment for alcohol use disorder. In terms of being a postdoc here, I have been very lucky to receive the support and mentoring from my current PI, Professor Rayleigh. He cares not only about the work that I do on a daily basis, but also the career that I like to have. From the very first day in the lab, we talk about my research, what I wanted to do, and where I saw myself in a few years. And we carefully plan my work to make sure that I stay on the right track and I would achieve these goals. And right now, I am in the process of transitioning to an independent researcher, and I owe my mentor a great deal.